All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Just the Tip Tool Review and Information Station, whatever you want to call it. We have a Bridgeport. What's a Bridgeport? For me, it's a glorified drill press. Honestly, that's the only reason I got it. They're just extra badass, heavy duty. That's not the only reason I got it, but it's one of the main reasons, because you know, you might spend a good few $100 on a solid drill press, and with these units, they are units, and basically what they are is manual CNC. You can do a lot of cool stuff with this, you know, manually of course, and also you can get like digital boards that will do things automatic as well. So this table, they call it, slides left, right, forward, back, up and down. The head will actually turn as well. You can turn it, angle it, twist it. You can do a lot of funky stuff. So if you need to drill precisely, you do some precision drilling at an angle, you know, you got a cylinder head or something weird, you do it with this. I'm not a machinist. I've used this before. I've done some cool tool passes with it. Use it for drilling a lot as well, you know, boring and things like that. You get like mill bits, and you can make slots. I mean, you can do a lot of different custom stuff with it, but because I know it's just an awesome tool to have in your arsenal. Even if you don't do a whole lot of machining, you know, when you're fabricating, you're always gonna need to do something. This is a really good tool to have, you know, for that thing. Controls can go forward or backwards, which is cool. And then one of my favorite things about this, the other one that I've used at another shop didn't have this feature. Usually you can change the speed by adjusting the belts, just like a standard drill press. But this one, variable speed on the fly. Look at that. Wow. It'll go up more too. Yeah, pretty dope, huh? So, yeah, that's about it. You got any questions about it? Feel free to ask. Machinists are gonna know a lot more about this kind of stuff than I do. I mean, even when I got it, I was like, how do I wire this thing up? What do I do? But we got it figured out, and it works really, really well. So, hope you enjoy that little tidbit, and we'll see you on the next one.